Hello friends, good evening. You can arrange this type of snacks in evening for friends reunion or guest. This is chicken patties. Now let's go start. I'll take only 1 cup wheat flour along with 1.5 cup superfine wheat flour, that is maida. After that 1 pinch of salt, that is salt to taste. Now add sugar and after that oil, few drops oil and mix it oil properly. Now another side I put a pan for lukewarm water. Yes, it is done. So I put in a glass and mix it oil for making a dough. This is a super fast, healthy and tasty recipe. Everybody can have this. Children, kids or aged person also. You can have anywhere, anytime. Now, dough is ready. Now few drops oil again put here to soft and fluffy. Yes, our dough is ready. Now cover it up for 30 minutes. Put aside. Now this is chicken keema, that is half mashed chicken along with onion, garlic paste, ginger paste, coriander leaves also here. Cutting pieces of coriander leaves and one bowl milk. Now put a karai or pan on oven in a low flame. Now put some butter in a pan. Little stir gently. Now put a 1/4 teaspoon garlic paste. Now stir gently stir it for 2 or 3 minutes. Now we'll drop here onion. 1 big piece of onion chopped here and put into a pan. Now stir gently until brown. Now cover it up and again open and stir gently. Yes, almost brownish. Now put ginger paste, half teaspoon. Now put chicken mashed. Now stir gently. Half a spoon salt, that is salt to taste. Half a spoon turmeric powder added here. Half spoon Kashmiri mircha for coloring added here also. 1 spoon black pepper powder added here. Stir gently until brown. Coriander leaves. Now put a bowl of milk added here. Now cover it up for some times. Now open it again and stir gently. Yes, filling is ready, almost done. Filling is ready for chicken patties. Now take a bowl. Now dough is so softy, becomes so softy and fluffy. Now put oil on a chopper board to make a bread. Yes, make a ball medium size. Like this. You can make this by hand. No need to use ruler and no need to roll. By hand you can do this like this. So softy and fluffy that you can do your own hand. Put that filling in this bread and side to side roll. Like this. Fold. And again fold. Like this one. Like this I have made one by one and every patties is ready. Now I will put in this air fryer. You can use baking paper or not if you want, if you need, but I put here baking paper and brushing butter in this side. Now put patties one by one. You can do this in a micro oven, 30 minutes time and 180-degree temperature. And also now here make a yellow eggs yellow portion along with butter mixed, brushing here on this patties, and white sesame put on it for garnishing. Now set in this and make temperature and time, make 30 minutes and time 30 minutes and temperature is 180 degree, 160 to 180 degree temperature. Now I can put this tawa on a oven like this. I use it here for 3 piece. You can do this also through by pan on oven. Same way, egg yellow portion and butter mixed. This mixture is brushing of this patties. Now, wow, what is snacks? Patties is ready. So wonderful. Snacks looking beautiful. Now this is also ready. You can do this which one you like, but I think air fryer and microwave is the best for baking this type of snacks. Wow, now you have enjoyed and share. Thank you.